Hey, welcome back. So today, let's chat about the beach, about the pool, all of those fun summertime activities. Camping, you guys know that I love the summertime. So I want to share with you about our new ultimate beach mat. Now, it's going to be great for all of those summer activities, picnics, all of the things. Okay, so what's great about this is it actually zips up into a little pocket right here. So this is called the ultimate beach mat. It comes in this print, and all of them are double-sided. So on one side, it's going to be one print. On the other, it will be this. So this is the Painted Palms one. This is that Painted Palms. It's so pretty. I love it. And then the back is the summer stripes. We're also going to have it in the etched shells. And then the other side of that one is going to be that multi-color stripe. And then the third one is the daisy print. So on one side, it's going to be that yellow daisy print, and the other side, it's going to be that fun banana print. So I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to fold this up, okay? And you'll see my little dog, our little Spot. He's got a little black spot on his back, so we call him Spot. He was very interested in that beach mat. So you'll see that. I'll tag that. I'll put that at the end of this video. But this is called the ultimate beach mat. Okay, I'm gonna unzip it here. I'm gonna unzip it, and I had to do this video upstairs in my house because this beach mat is so large. I had to have a bigger view. So I turned the camera around. The other side is my our fireplace. So okay, here we go. I unfolded it here. Okay, so this is the first side. If you guys can see that. Okay, I'll hold it out. I've got both arms stretched all the way out, and I still cannot get it all. So it's very, very tall. If I put this down here that's touching the bottom, it goes above my head here. So it's very, very large. I'm not doing a very good job in the camera view, but you'll see here is the little square pocket. So you could actually even store something in this pocket and then zip it up. So I think that's really nice when you're at the beach and the pool. Now this is like a polyester feel. It kind of feels like a suede, a little bit of a suede. Now this is a beach mat. It's not a beach towel. So if it's not gonna soak up water, so if you were trying to use this as a beach towel, it wouldn't work that way. But it is sand resistant, so it has the same texture and feel on both sides, okay? So this would be great to lay down on the beach and just shake it out in the sand. It's just gonna fall right off, okay? So I love this. And then also on the bottom of each of these is going to be, you'll see like a wide band here of a solid color. And then you can personalize this. So I was in a hurry when I personalized mine. So I was like, what can I put on here that's so clever? And I just my creative juices were not flowing. So I just did the large serif letter in the C, and I did that in the turquoise thread color, so it would match like this turquoise here. But you could totally do a peach color, the rust color, butter, white would look really good on here too. So this is the ultimate beach mat. Now, if you get the ultimate beach mat, maybe add on one of our snack bags or a clear clip pouch, then you will qualify for a half price item. And you guys know that I'm never just gonna show you one product, right? So the ultimate beach mat could be your qualifier to get you to that $50 level. And then I would suggest either adding personalization to the beach mat to get you to that $50 level, or you could add on our clear clip pouch. This is one of my favorites for the summer. I actually used this Sunday at the swimming pool. I do have my phone case in here just to show you that you can zip it up right here. So you can zip up your phone case right here, okay? And then you can still use your phone through this clear PVC, which is nice to keep your phone protected at the beach, at the pool, and even like from germy kids. And then on this side, you have a little pocket right here, so you can add personalization here. And then this does have a carabiner clip, so you could clip this onto any bag and let it hang. I actually took one of these with us and to Punta Cana, and I would just carry it around like this on my finger. But I also keep a clear clip pouch in my car at all times. And then the middle section is actually a thermal pocket, so you can store, cooler. You can keep cold things, medicine in here. I actually use ours for in my beach bag for goggles for the swimming pool. So I love the clear clip pouch. And then you could definitely pair that with our Pick Up and Go tote. So this is the Pick Up and Go tote in that same Painted Palms print, which is so pretty. And I did the sandy flops on there. So this could be your half price item. You could get this for half price if you get that beach mat. Now it does have the pockets right here on each side, so a pocket on the sides. And then you can see that I have 5 beach towels in here, and it could hold 5 more for sure. But on the other side, I have our 𝗏𝗏𝗏 carry-all caddy. I have a 𝗏𝗏𝗏 carry-all caddy for sunscreens and for beach toys and sunglasses and things like that. So I think this is such a beautiful set. I'll post a picture at the end of this video so you can see that as well. So, and then I'll show you how to fold the beach mat up. You just fold it in thirds. So lay it long ways, fold it in thirds, and then fold it 5 times, and then just tuck it into itself. So my husband was making a lot of noise when I was making that video, so hopefully I can turn the sound off. Y'all know I'm not very tech savvy. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video will help you get set for the summer. So grab that beach mat, either add personalization to that beach mat or add on a clear clip pouch. That will get you to that $50 level. And then you'll be able to get your beach tote, the Pick Up and Go tote, as your half price item. We can build a bundle that's going to solve a solution or solve a problem for you, right? Because we're all looking for that awesome beach bag. That is going to be the one for you. So thank you so much again for watching. If you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I want to be your 31 girl. So I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook and answer the 2 questions, and then I'm going to send you back a private message. So we're not friends on Facebook, so check that message request folder, check that spam folder, and hopefully you'll see my reply message to you, and we'll get you added to my VIP group. If you want to host, let me create you a shopping link, and then you can share that link with your friends and your family. Then you'll be able to earn host rewards. So you'll earn free credits, half price items, and those hostess only products that only our hostesses can grab with qualifying party. So subscribe to my channel too, so you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. So lots more coming your way. Thank you so much for watching again. I appreciate you. Have a great day. All right, so here you will fold this in thirds lengthwise. See our little spotty boy, he was very interested. All right, so a little pet for spotty boy. Then you're gonna fold this over 5 times. And then what you'll do is, I just kind of reached down in between, so you'll unzip that little zipper and grab, there's probably an easier way to do it, but I grabbed the bottom and then just pulled it in on itself. And so kind of like turned it inside out, and then the beach mat will just fold right in there. And then I just kind of adjusted it, and there you go, zip it up.